Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Wednesday. Hope everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. Get your proton packs ready for this one. This is a brand new release. Just came out today. We had the Fire TV Blaster. Pew pew. Oh yeah, control your entertainment devices. Works with Alexa, Amazon. Here's what you need. This is what's included. You get a blaster, IR extender, power adapter. This is what you need. Fire Stick 2nd Gen, Fire Stick 4K, or Fire TV 3rd Gen, and any Echo smart speaker. Okay. Requires for setup. Fire TV app on mobile device. Okay, so I'm going to have to get the TV app. So pretty much hands-free. Just tell your device what channels, what shows you want. Really cool, especially for the older people. This would be great for. Easy to set up. We're going to do the setup and everything on this video. So grab some popcorn. Let's take a look inside. Like I said, brand new, just came out today. So if you order it today, you should still get in time for Christmas gift, stocking stuffer, all that good stuff. Here we go. All you gotta do, click the link down below, add it to your cart, check out, and it'll get fast shipped to you. Okay, I think that's everything. Oh, there we go. I got the cords, the manual, all that good stuff. There we go. 1 second. There we go. So TV blaster time, guys. This is a big one. Brand new. This must be the IR sensor. Plug it in. Oh, this is going to be a fun one to hook up. Here is the blaster. We'll just take this off somehow. Oh boy. They got it on pretty good. This tape. Oh man. This might help. There we go. Remove here. There we go. And then from the top, right here. Oh boy. Come on. That off to the side. Don't need that anymore. A little dusty. Not sure why I get so much dust down here. But that didn't do much. There we go. There's a little front part. There's USB power. So or that's where the IR. This thing goes in here. Like so. Take this guy. Plug it in. Like so. I gotta remove this piece usually. This should be cool though once it up and running. But finally my computer, my internet is finally back working 100% now. So it should be an easy hookup to do. There we go. There we go. Got that off. And then you just plug it in like so. Oops, the wrong way. There we go. Plug it in. Plug and play. And you take this one. So make sure you have an extra power converter, power protector. There we go. See, like that. And like I said, this is a IR receiver. So I'm gonna find a spot upstairs. We're gonna go upstairs in my family room. Make sure you have one of these bad boys around. I'll leave the link down below if you guys need an extra one. But these are on sale right now for $24.99. Great deal. And the Fire Stick. So I'll leave those 3 links down below. Once we get this situated, set up, be ready to rock and roll. So really cool. I'll be back. Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We got it set up pretty much right there. And we got Alexa right there. Alexa, say hello.
Hello.
See? She's all hooked up. Pretty much you just gotta tell it, turn off TV, stuff like that. And really cool little booster. And you could add on these to control your receiver, sound bars, sound system, pretty much everything you could think of just by a simple connection. Download the Fire Stick app and add it to your devices on your Alexa app. So,
I don't know that.
yep, she don't know that one. But it's okay. She knows a lot though. So definitely check these out. Really cool. Great stocking stuffer. Definitely get this before Christmas with the 1-day shipping really fast. So I just gotta tuck the wires in a little bit more. And then, like I said, until switch it to live TV, pretty much anything else you could think of without using the remote. So really cool. Definitely a great gift for older people, especially had a hard time with arthritis using the remotes. This would be the next big thing to get for them. So definitely check them out, YouTubers. Links will down below for this. And one of those echoes if you need one. So definitely check them out. Really cool. This was an Amazon TV blaster. Pew pew. So have a good weekend and see you soon.